Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start question number 12, I guess. Yeah, we have done till 11 in our previous video. We are starting with question number 12. So, following is the balance sheet of Jain, Gupta and Malik as on March 31, 2016. So, what do we have in the balance sheet? Sundry creditors, telephone bills outstanding, then accounts payable. There is a credit balance of P&L account. How it's a credit balance? Because it's on the liability side and the capitals are given. Along with that, on the asset side, we have land and building, bonds. Okay, bonds are investments. Cash, bills receivable, sundry data, stock for office furniture, plant machinery and computers. The partners have been sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. Malik decided. Who's Malik? Malik is the last one. Yeah, Malik is the last one. So Malik decides to retire on 1st April, very good, and his share in the business to be calculated as per the following terms of revaluation of assets and liabilities. Stock rupees 20,000. Okay, these are the revalued figures. So right now the stock is 18,100. Now we have to revalue it to 20,000. So that means 1,900 rupee revaluation. Office furniture 14,250. Furniture is 18,250. So 4,000 devaluation. Plant machinery 23530, plant machinery 20230, so okay, 3,200, land and building 20,000, land building 3,000 devaluation, okay. A provision of 1,700 is to be created for doubtful debts. The goodwill of the firm is valued at 9,000. The continuing partner agrees to pay 16,500 as cash on retirement to Malik to be contributed by continuing partner in the ratio of 3:2. The balance in the capital account of Malik will be treated as loan, prepare revaluation, capital, balance sheet. Very nice. Okay, simple sum. Just that this is a new thing, 16,500 3:2, but that's also easy. Let's solve this. And finally the balance sheet. Okay, let's look at the revaluation first of all. So the revised figures have been given from what we have there in our balance sheet. So let's put our balance sheet figures first. Creditors, telephone bills outstanding, accounts payable. Yeah. So, sundry creditors. Do we have any 19,800? Do we have any adjustment for sundry creditors? I don't think so. So they remain the same. Even telephone, I don't remember hearing about telephone bills outstanding. Then we have accumulated profit, but before that, $40, $60, $20. So what is this P&L? This is accumulated profit. How much? 16, 7, 15, 5 to 3 is to 2. Okay, so half 1675 into 2, 3350. Five 025 and half of 16 is 18,375. 8,375. Yes. Okay. Then let's look at the asset side. Liability is all done. Let's look at the asset side. So many revaluation. Land and building, there is nothing in bonds, cash, okay, BR, debtors, there is stock, there is furniture, there is plant machine, there is computer, no. Okay. So, land and building, 26,000. Bonds 14,370. Cash. Okay, there is only cash, so obviously there will be some 5500 because amount has been paid. Post that BR. Debtors. Okay, what we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Office furniture is 18250. Plant machinery 20230. Okay, and finally computers. No, no space. Let's make space. Space created. And finally is computer. Okay, posted everything. Let's start doing the revaluations. What are the final figures of revaluations? Okay. 20,000, 14,250, 23,530. Stock furniture. So what is the revaluation? Okay, this is our balancing figure here. My stock 1900. Okay. Okay, post that. And lastly, yes, this is the last thing. Correct. So, if we have done all these things, let's find out. Okay. Let's find out the profit or loss. 10,000, 11,700. So there is obvious loss. Okay, Jayan Gupta Malik 5:3:2. So how much? 3,000, 4,000, 5,200. So 6,500. The 6,000 5:3:2. So 1,300. 1950, and half of this is 3250. Let's transfer all these things to the respective capitals. $3,250, 1950, 1,300. Okay, we have done this. This revaluation is also done. Reserve is also transferred. What else is remaining? Goodwill is remaining. How much was goodwill? Goodwill 9,000 and Malik. Okay, 5,000 to 10. Yeah. What is the gaining ratio? It is not mentioned that how the new ratio will be there. So 5:3:2. I told you, whosoever is going, just delete that person. So 5:3. So this 1,800 and 5:3. 675. 1125. So 1125, not here. And Gupta is giving 675. Let's take out this amount from their respective capitals. Yes, the amounts have been taken out. Okay, what else? Okay, rest. Let's pay up Malik. What is the total of Malik? 23,000, 24,000, 24,600, 24,700, 25,150. Okay, out of that 1,300 is gone, so that comes to 23,000. Still, out of that 23,000, cash was paid to him, 16,500. So how much will be to his loan account? Let's balance the account. 25,150. Out of that, 16, 17,800 if we subtract 7350. We'll go to his loan account. Now, let's see about Gupta and Jain and Gupta. What is the final figure? 60,005 and 65,025. Okay. They have to bring in more capital. So this 16,500 which we have paid to Malik was supposed to be bought in by Jain and Gupta, in which ratio? 3:2 given in the question. So by cash. So let's do 16,500 3:2. He's bringing 9,900 and he's bringing 6,600. Okay, that's the capital amount that they have to bring to pay this money to him. So now we can finalize their accounts as well. Yeah, 65, 71, 625. Let's see. 71, 625. Okay, 19, 2500, 2670. Okay, so round figure. Very good. Carrying down. And 48 plus 57, 58. Out of that, 4,375 if we subtract. Is the balance carried down? Let's put the carried down balances here in our balance sheet. Okay, Malik's loan. 7350. Capital. Jain and Gupta. 53,900. 69,000. One lakh 22,900. Okay, and cash, see 16,500 plus 16,500 minus 16,500, so it remains 5,500. Let's check whether we have written everything. Yes, yes. Yeah. Let's do the total. 19,800 plus 300 plus 8,950 plus 7,350 plus 122,900. So the liability is 1,593,000. Let's see the assets. So many assets. 20,000 plus 14,370 plus 5,500 plus 23,450 plus 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 14,250 plus 23,530 plus 13,200, 1,593,000. So our balance sheet is telling at 1,593,000. Okay, let's see this question in a single page. I know so many assets and liabilities were given, but Apart from that, it's a very simple question. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.